Hello, my stylish friends. Shelly Malashi, your style coach. I have been doing a lot of photo shoots lately. I've been getting calls to help style people for photo shoots. And my most recent one, the colors are black, white, cream, and gray. That's hard for me because I want a pop of color. The camera loves those deep saturated colors. But I'm going to show you some of the things I picked up. This is a really pretty black blouse, but it runs flat, you know, like it's got ruffles in it that you can kind of see, but even on this camera, it doesn't really pop for you. You know, it kind of runs flat, so we'll try it. I also picked up this one. I like this. It's just a dolman sleeve, white pullover, but this black ribbing could be a very nice look on camera, right? You'll see that little black line. That could work. This one is the cream, and it's just a simple pullover, but look at the sleeve detailing. It's got this lacy, the camera could really like that one. We'll see how that looks. Maybe it could run a little juvenile. I'm a little worried about that, but we'll see if maybe that will work in maybe an outdoor setting option. This one is my favorite. It's a blouse, and look at that graphic pattern. That's perfect. This would look great with a trouser or a skirt, and it's a wonderful pop graphic pattern. If you're in a photo shoot and this is your, this one's my favorite. We'll see if she likes it. I also grabbed this just for the black and white look of it, but it's way too casual in my mind. It's linen, it's very boxy, and on camera, I want you in fitted clothes, in tailored clothes, because the camera adds 10 pounds, so we're told. So I don't want anything boxy that's gonna make you look like a box. But we're gonna look at it, just for the graphic of the two colors together. What I really want her in is this. Just holding that up in front of the camera. Wow, pop, color, alive. These electric colors, electric blue, or yellows or oranges are very popular right now, and they're very saturated, and I can find them for you. So this would be a perfect color to wear for a photo shoot. However, we're staying within the black, white, gray, cream. Okay, those are my thoughts as a style coach when I shop for your photo shoot. I'm going to work within the parameters, but I know what the camera likes. So if you have any questions, or you just want to hire somebody to help you dress for the photo shoot, which this photo is going to last for what, the next year at least, hire a professional. I could do a lot for you. Okay, give me a call.